What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to be talking about a newer cryptocurrency that I think will take the crypto world by storm. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, it would mean the world to me if you'd consider smashing the like button down below and also subscribing to the channel. We talk about new cryptos all the time, but I think this one here is special and might be one of the big winners during this next bull run or even bear market. So, first and foremost, let's talk about hedge funds for just a second, because I think this is what's so intriguing about this project. Right now, the world's biggest hedge funds include Bridgewater, Demand Group, Renaissance Technologies. You've probably all heard about Citadel with the whole Robinhood and GME AMC fiasco. So again, if you see how much money is under management or assets under management, collectively, when we talk about centralized hedge funds, there's about 4.5 trillion US dollars worth of assets amongst these groups. But what if I told you there's an opportunity to invest in a new decentralized hedge fund that right now is working with artificial intelligence, something that has been a huge hot topic in crypto and outside of crypto, and people are talking about the 2023 AI revolution? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today, and that is the non or not financial advice NFA Labs. They say here we are a global team of STEM and finance nerds, data science, and we're also building a neural net. So for me specifically, the reason that this project resonated with me is because one of our very own developers or team members of the core Shiba Inu community is also someone that is not only following the project, but potentially investing in it. Now, I can't make that assumption based off of what I've been seeing, but he has constantly been actively looking at this group. So I'm talking about SHYTOSHI Kusama, the man, the myth, the legend, the person that has been behind us every single day, weathering the storm within the Shiba Inu community. So you see, on January 17th, NFA sent out a tweet saying, Athena's final test with our personal funds ended today. A new era begins. Brand new medium being drafted and detailed our execution plan for phase one. You could see that they did a 13.37x leverage. The collat was about $2,323 with $46,000 worth of buying power. But you could see their last 7 days using the AI bot that they created, 573% ROI or their profit loss. So they're trying to bring this to the community. They're trying to allow individuals that are in crypto to start making money and hedge against inflation. Because remember, that's what a hedge fund is, but in a decentralized fashion. So SHYTOSHI responded to them after he saw this tweet saying, when Shibarium. 150,000 people saw this and of course triggered some excitement around the project. But what I'm going to be doing today is talking about NFA, and a huge shout out to the NFA team, of course, for sponsoring today's video. But I think regardless of that statement, this project is one that's worthwhile. I can never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any crypto assets in the market, but I can always put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So look no further. Let's go ahead and dive in. NFA, it says here, join our experiment, not financial advice. So there was a stealth launch, and you could see that they've been taping that all around. And a lot of people did question and say, and I've had some discussions within my own community about NFA, and they said, what about the significant tax that they implemented on the day of launch? I think it was actually quite a smart strategy. It's something that they alerted the community about because of the fact that there were so many bots that were front run, and they were worried about, again, people sniping their contract. So what did they do? They applied a significant sell task amongst the first few hours of their launch. So again, it says here, life is and will ever remain an equation, incapable of solution, but it contains certain known factors, by Nikola Tesla. Some of their principles. Cryptocurrency market prices reflect all information available to market participants. We will focus on collaboration and innovation before price, and then find innovative ways to creating value for those that support us. So, focused on the future. They have their bot deployment, which is the thing that I talked about, the Athena bot just a moment ago, and that's what's going to be acting as this decentralized hedge fund or utilizing these artificial intelligence bots. Finalizing development of Athena and deploying on various decentralized derivative platforms, full decentralization, hand over the keys to the community so that they may adjust decisions made by Athena as they see fit. Incredible. And then the decentralized application deployment, creation of a secret project that will incentivize the market to feed Athena a healthy pipeline of code that may assist in increasing accuracy. Absolutely insane, folks. Because what I talk about, or when I talk about a potential mechanism for not only passive income, but also as an early holder of this token, I think, again, the potential is huge. In the midst of chaos, there's also opportunity. So currently there's 100 million tokens in circulation, which is really not significant compared to what we've seen amongst other projects. The token tax, there is a buy and sell tax, and that is used to fund the algorithm trading bot, and also development and liquidity. So there's a buy and sell tax for those of you who are not used to that. That's something that all you have to do is adjust slippage for on whatever decentralized trading applications you're using. You can use MetaMask, of course, when you're using Uniswap, or if you're using Coinbase Wallet, same thing, Uniswap, because this is an ERC20 based token. And they have their ticker symbol here, which I'll also have everything in the description below for you guys to check out. So I mentioned the bot. So why can't we use the bot and not hold the token? Well, there's incentive for holding the NFA token, of course. And then we'll look at the price action here towards the end. But first and foremost is governance. At the end of this experiment, we aim to hand this AI over to the community that supported us. This will allow us to focus on growing the ecosystem as we find new ways to reward our community through the deployment of creative code. So again, you have, as a community member or holder, the keys to this algo bot that might help you on a day-to-day basis make trades, or something that you could leave. Again, I like to use the term AFK, or away from keyboard, while it does work for you. Make money while you're asleep. True utility. As NFA grows, there will be certain access to the signals generated by our AI solely to holders. So again, you kind of get this early access to some information that might not be readily available. That's actually not readily available in the market. And then superior tokenomic feedback loop. The bot will be deployed in phase 1 with a focus on funding development, liquidity, and reducing the circulating supply with constant burns. In the long term, we aim for scarcity of the token and reduce volatility via constant growing liquidity. A secret DApp being created will serve as a catalyst to magnifying planned burns. One of the things that you might have seen, if you're someone already following their Twitter, is 6 hours ago. So just in the middle of the night, if you're living here in the US, the NFA bought back and burned 6 Ethereum worth of tokens, which is another 0.25% of the total circulating supply. So again, you can see that they've already burned back 2,979% in total, which again, if that doesn't speak to you, and I'm going to give that a quick like, as someone who might not even be a part of the community yet, this is a team that is standing with their community. And I think that's one of the most important things. And I think this is where things go the next step. They're currently looking to build something called a neural network. It's a little bit of a complex algorithm, I think, beyond us. If you heard of Neuralink, what Elon is doing, basically creating robots, to be honest, with using neural networks. This is what they're doing in terms of that and crypto. So layer 1 will be real-time API feedback that provides our team with market data every single second. Layer 2, machine learning algorithms with over 35 variables and growing with continuous assessment of correlation with the market moves with ETH USD and BTC USD pairs. Number 3, continuous and periodical adjustment of the model by our team. In phase 3, this will be done by Athena, our artificial intelligence bot. Number 4, cloud-based secure server with 99.9% uptime and cryptographic security. And lastly, number 5, trade execution on various decentralized derivative exchanges. And I think I like their humor. And that's the best part of this is, again, these are individuals who are bros at the end. They're people who are just in crypto, but have background that most of us don't in AI, in finance, data science, things of that nature. They showed some other projects that have been deployed via crypto that are also, again, maybe a little bit similar. There's Fetch AI, that's $123 million market cap. Ocean's Protocol at $136 million. And then Numeraire is at $500 million in market cap, which is absolutely insane. But it does show you there's so much excitement right now that is happening within crypto, AI, and there's a nice intersection that marries these two. And it's projects like these that are going to be leading the way. Athena back in testing, you can see here there's 748 trades that are closed, 78.74% trades in profit. That is some insane rates. Because most of the time in hedge funds, if you're able to make even 2% a week, you're considered someone that is hedging really strong, and a hedge fund would probably call you up to start trading for them. So the fact that they're doing this amongst the first few weeks of trading, that is insanity, folks, with a really good trade in profit versus not in profit ratio. Because 78%, that's 3 out of every 4, a little bit more than that even. So again, NFA is doing some pretty amazing things. Now, the price action, probably the most important things to all of you, or a lot of you. This token only launched literally 11 days ago on January 15th. You can see at its all-time high, it hit maybe right around a little less than a $6 million, $7 million market cap, came down and has been consolidating since very strongly. So again, if you're asking my opinion, is this project early, being amongst the first 1,000 holders, currently having 933 holders? Folks, you know what my answer is going to be. I'm not giving you financial advice, as the token is called, but again, I always try to give opportunities and show you guys projects when I see them fit. And I think, again, this fits the narrative of what's happening right now in AI, crypto, and the entire space. Always do your research, always do your due diligence. But I think, again, the opportunity that lies here, especially with the SHIB backing and the SHIB community backing, this thing could start to fly. I appreciate your support as always. So thank you all so much for tuning in. That's all I had for you guys today. And until next time, everybody, as always, take care. Peace.